Hello people of Nauset, this is Nauset News. My name is Troy Gregory and we have some announcements for y'all today. Our first announcement is that Nauset will have a tiered system of support this year for students that need help in both math and reading. For more information, please call the main office or the guidance step. Next up, please encourage your students to join an after-school club. Please, we beg you. We have a variety of clubs and students of all interests. See the guidance department for the weeks of October 36th. This homecoming week, yeah. There will be a spirit week followed by games and a dance. The dance will be held on Saturday, October 21st. Look for announcements in the oncoming weeks for about more information. Now, for top story, we have Gianna Cassell for this year's changes. High Five Student of the Week is Stella Smith with Patrick Alsasser. Sports with Sam Bowden. Things to Do with Sophia Cole. Fashion Police with Kamisha Harriet and Sophia Genoa. Fact or Fiction with the Honors Criminology class. It's the Law with the Honors Law class. And finally, Street Talk with Bruda Diaz and Gianna Cassell. And a big shout out to Patrick Alsasser for being the cameraman today. And now let's hear from Gianna Cassell about the top story.
Welcome to Nauset News. I'm Gianna Cassell here with your top story. Today we're going to be talking to Ian Hamilton, who is in charge of the drama department at Nauset, and he also teaches acting classes at Nauset. So let's go see what he has to say about the shows this year. I'm here with Ian Hamilton, and I heard that we're doing the Wizard of Oz play this year. So, what other shows are happening this year at Nauset?
So in addition to the Wizard of Oz, which we're putting on at the Wellfleet Harbor Actors Theater, we are also doing a haunted house in the last weekend of October. And I still haven't decided what the spring musical is going to be, but I think it'll be fun, whatever way we end up going.
Yes, and how do people audition for shows at Nauset?
Well, I put sign-up sheets outside my door, room B207. People come, sign up for a time slot, and then they come on in. For a musical, I'd like you to bring a song. For the fall play, you don't need to bring anything.
That is so cool, and I can't wait for those shows. So Ian, what is your favorite part about being a drama teacher?
My favorite part about being a drama teacher, is probably the community of people. The drama club is an awesome group of human beings, and they're really, really fun to spend time with.
Well, thank you, Ian, and I can't wait for the season this year.
You're welcome, Gianna.
The Wizard of Oz. It's a straight play version based off of the original book. And yeah, it's Monday the 25th, Tuesday the 26th, and Wednesday the 27th. Sign up sheets are right by Ian's door.
Yay! I'm doing a scene for acting class, and I have to have a southern accent. I don't know what play it's from, but the scene's called The Maid of the Canyon, which is the name of our boat, and we're like little southern guys fishing on a boat. But I make maps. I have a southern accent. This is Finn.
Finn, what scene are you doing?
I'm currently not working on a scene
Because he sucks.
because I'm in independent study and I'm writing plays.
You're
That's really
writing
cool.
Doing innovative techniques and playing with wrenches. Yeah, sure.
Actually,
Well, thank you, Finn.
Okay, yeah.
At least 2 weeks.
Okay.
Like 2 days. At least 2 weeks.
So that was our little interview with Ian Hamilton. I hope everyone gets to see the shows at Nauset this year. With your top story, I'm Gianna Cassell. See you next time on Nauset News.
Hi, I'm Patrick Alsasser, and our High Five Student of the Week is Stella Smith. In their recent game against Monomoy, the Nauset girls volleyball team swept the Sharks 3-0, and Stella led the team with 18 assists. Stella is here with us today to talk about the prospects for the volleyball season and the performance of the team so far. First of all, congratulations on your performance in the game. How did it feel to come away with 18 assists?
It was good. I was glad to be able to support my team.
How well do you think the team's doing?
We're doing really good. I think better than we really ever have.
What do y'all think you need to work on?
I think a big key to volleyball is communication, and that's something that we kind of really struggle with. So we're definitely going to work on that.
How you train to become a better volleyball player?
Just working hard and trying your best.
Off the topic of sports and things, what's your favorite subject?
Definitely ELA.
Thank you so much for the interview. Good luck with the volleyball season.
Thank you.
And here's your high five. This has been our High Five Student of the Week, Stella Smith. I'm Patrick Elsasser, and we'll see you next time.
Hello, I'm Sam Bowden, and I'm here with your Nauset Sports Highlights. Here are some results from the past week for Nauset. Our field hockey team won 3-1 against Sturgis. Lauren Silva scored twice, and while Colohan scored once. Our boys soccer team won their game 2-1 against Monomoy, keeping their streak of 3 wins in a row. Amani Perry and Charlie Cushing and Devin Farrell all got high remarks from the coach. The girls soccer team was also victorious against Monomoy, winning 3-0, handing the Sharks their first loss in the season. Our volleyball team won their game 3-0 against Monomoy, as you heard in the high five. Stella Smith was a top player in the game. Sadly, our football team lost against East Bridgewater 10-14, but the game was close and the team will continue to train hard to grab their first win in the next couple days. Our cross country team has a meet this week, and those results will be on next week's show. Let's go Nauset.
Hi, I'm Sophia Cole and welcome to Things to Do. First, let's talk about movies. If you want to go to the cinema, a new movie is playing called I Can, starring Daniel Roebuck, Vernon Wells, and John Wells. This movie is based on a true story and is about a girl who was born with only one fully developed arm and defies all odds with an incredible gift for softball. The #1 movie on Netflix that just got added is Love at First Sight. It's a drama starring Ben Hardy and Haley Lou Richardson. It's about how two people fall in love on a flight and lose each other at customs, and they think they will never see each other again. It has an 81% Rotten Tomatoes. I watched this movie and thought it was very heartwarming and romantic and definitely recommend it. Now let's talk about some activities. If you like mini golf, go to Cape Escape Adventure Golf in Orleans. It's an 18-hole mini golf with fishing boats, a koi pond, and waterfalls. Another fun activity is going to Mashpee Commons and doing some shopping. After shopping, there's a pottery painting place called Color Me Mine. You can pick out your own ceramics and paint them however you would like. Or if you like solving riddles, you can go to Upside Down Escape Rooms in Mashpee Commons and try to solve a series of puzzles and connecting clues to escape. I'm Sophia Cole, and that's Things to Do.
Hi, this is Laurel, brought to you by Honors Criminology in the book Criminology by Larry J. Siegel. In this fact or fiction, we discuss that criminals and victims are two totally different types of people. And I agree that criminals have a very high rate of victimization. And this is because I think that the victimization produces a negative outcome in an individual's mind. Therefore, that eventually leads to negative behavioral consequences. Overall, I strongly agree that victimization rates among criminals are extremely high.
Hi, welcome back to Nauset News. I'm Sophia Genoa with Fashion Police. Today's theme is fashionable outfits.
Hi, Nauset News, welcome. And I am here with Mr. Flerman. Check out his kicks. So, Mr. Flerman, tell us what you're wearing today.
I'm wearing my new Air Force Ones. My
Kind of Air Forces.
Yeah. I'm going golfing this afternoon, so I got this.
That's why you have a golf attire. You are a nice day to golf.
That's how I roll.
Hi, Nauset News. I am here with Tony Ranger. So, Tony, tell us about your drip.
Okay, so this sweater is from Temu. My pants are from Marshalls, and these shoes are from Nike. So yeah, I did a little pink fit today because, you know, just feel pink.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm here with Romy Hunt. So tell us about your outfit today.
I got these pants in Vermont at a skate shop. These are some Adidas Sambas I got very recently. This is just a white t-shirt and I have some socks on.
Well, can you give us a twirl? Okay, well, thank you. I'm here with Kaden Vasquez, so tell us about your outfit.
Okay, so I'm wearing the Elysium athletic shirt. It's like a sports brand kind of. It's got this nice image of, I think it's like a Spartan soldier skull with the helmet on. If we're talking jewelry, I'm wearing this nice pendant. I don't know where I got this from. Some charm bracelets, opalite ring, sterling silver spider ring, citizen watch, another bracelet, got normal gray sweats, and beat up purple running shoes.
Well, thank you. I like your outfit.
Hi, this is Kamisha Harriet.
And Sophia Genoa.
And we're signing off as today's Fashion Police. See you next week. Bye.
I'm Gianna Casal. And I'm Renovations. And this is Street Talk. Today we're going to be asking people what their favorite subject in school is. That's what you want to say. Here with Jonah, and what is your favorite subject in school?
English.
English, and why?
I like to write.
You like to write? Well, thank you, Jonah.
There's emergencies in the morning, but if I had known like Justin was going to be out, I have 3 subs.
My favorite subject in school was art, the art classes.
So,
because I just loved art, I loved to draw, I loved to read, and I loved art history.
you know what I mean? So,
Thank you.
I'm here with Logan, and Logan, what was your favorite subject in school?
I like history.
Why?
I don't know, I've kind of always loved that, and it's been one of my favorite classes since I was little.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, favorite subject from school. I would say that I enjoyed math because the object was to find the solution, and it didn't matter how you got there. And there's many different ways. So it's not necessarily you did it the right way or the wrong way, it's the fact that you got there. Because that's kind of the way that life goes. People tell you, this is the way you should do things. It doesn't matter. The fact is that you get where you need to be.
I'm here with Jackson, and what is your favorite subject in school?
Probably ELA.
ELA, and why?
It's easy.
Well, thank you, Jackson.
Yeah, thank you.
So, Bruna, what is your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject is French. Is French? My favorite subject in school would probably have to be lifting. It's just a really fun class. So, I'm Gianna Casal, and I'm Renovations, and that was Street Talk.
Hi, my name is Nia Stewart. I'm here with Bob the Builder, and this is the Nauset News Building Project Update. So today here, Bob will tell us how the building is going.
Well, we're inside the gym, and the gym, if you take a quick look around, you'll see that it's still the same 4 walls of the gym, but the floor was removed, and we're putting in all new heating system, air conditioning. There will be a new gym floor, new bleachers. So this building is about halfway finished for the gym. The other new buildings, less so, maybe a quarter of the way finished. And when we finish up, we'll finish up these buildings by the end of next summer.
So the gym will probably finish in like next summer. So
Yes, I think within 6 months it will look a lot different, but it'll take, the finishing touches will take maybe another 6 months. So by the end of next summer, a year from now, this will be standing in a brand new gym, and I will challenge you to foul shoot off.
I'm not really athletic.
Me neither, so.
So we can just try.
Yeah.
So, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color?
Yeah.
Green. No, blue. No, red. No, purple.
Purple's my favorite color also. So when you're done with these buildings, are you going to move on to the next buildings here at Nauset?
Yes, we're doing the project in 2 halves. Right now, all the work that you can see is the first phase, which will be all finished a year from now. And then we'll start on the buildings where classes are being held now.
So all the buildings, so like Nauset is going to be like a whole different school basically when it's done? It's going to look
The
different?
buildings will look different, but the students will still be the same awesome students, so eager to learn.
Is there anything else you'd like to add about the building and how it's going?
Well, I appreciate the students' patience during this process, and the students have been wonderful, and look forward to learning in a new environment.
Thank you, Bob, for joining us here. My name is Ania Stewart, and this was the Nauset News Building Project Update.
Welcome to It's a Law, brought to you by the Law Honors class. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Employment Act of 1967. The Employment Act of 1967 forbids employers from discriminating against any employee over the age of 40 because of their age. This act is meant to protect older workers from being looked down or treated differently than younger employees around them. It includes lots of different situations like refusing to hire, firing, removing from a position, and more, just because of one's age. The goal of this act is to help reduce the amount of damaging effects unemployment causes for older people. It applies to any company with 20 or more employees and is a super big part of helping protect individuals from discrimination in the workplace. Thank you for watching. I am Elisa Pella, and this has been It's the Law.